got so scared. No, are you okay? What's happening?
But it didn't fall into something liquid.
Oh my god, that was...
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of What is Dish? So in What is Dish, we challenge our chef Kimmie to guess what dish we're trying to make her make using just the ingredients that we give her. So it's April and we're doing an Easter recipe. Specifically, I lost it. Jajka Faszerowany. Wait, sorry. What's the name? Jajka, okay. Specifically, Jajka Faszerowany, which is Polish stuffed eggs. So it's kind of like deviled eggs. It has mustard, sour cream, cheese, and ham in the filling. Except that the difference is it has a Polonaise style topping. Polonaise style meaning it has like buttered breadcrumbs and then a little bit of soft herbs. So we're using dill for this. And her red herring is tomatoes. That's it, let's go.
The heck? Savory, I'm guessing. By the time we figure it out, wala nang cheese. That's so weird because there's no thing, and nothing to like put together. It's not, there's no pasta. Protein-wise, there's only egg and ham. So it's a ham dish or an egg dish. Okay, salt and pepper, yes. Cheese, yes. So I'm guessing it's an egg dish or a ham dish. And then I'm guessing my red herring is either the tomatoes or the breadcrumbs. Or the sour cream. What's my useless clue?
It's an Easter dish.
I thought you were gonna say Eastern European. An Easter dish? So an egg dish? So a ham dish or egg dish? But there's also Easter ham. But Easter egg makes more sense. Scrambled eggs. With mustard, butter, ham, dill, tomatoes, sour cream, and breadcrumbs. Okay, if this is not my red herring, what dish has breadcrumbs? Okay, what are egg dishes? Omelette, scrambled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, egg pie, egg soup. Well, from the ingredients, I'd go deviled egg. Because dill, mustard, cheese. Well, not really. I don't really put cheese. But like dill, mustard, butter, sour cream, maybe. To put ham in it. Put tomatoes and cheese and this. Deviled eggs. This is so random kasi, you know when something's too random that's probably not random? She'd be like, oh, let's make her red herring the breadcrumbs. What would I do with the breadcrumbs? Like, what would I think it was? Like, I can't make pasta with the breadcrumbs. I can't make bread with the breadcrumbs. So it's not like, if we put breadcrumbs, she'll think it's something. So that must mean it's already supposed to be there. But the breadcrumbs, what do I do with it? Well, it's too random. Are the tomatoes my red herring? Oh my god, don't answer. Okay, answer. Wait, I don't know. If we put tomatoes, she might think it's omelette. So these seem more like a red herring choice than the breadcrumbs. Because this would change what I'm thinking it is more than the bread. Okay, just answer. Are the tomatoes my red herring?
Yes.
Oh my god! This is my favorite game. No, it's not. Okay. So I'm gonna go with deviled eggs. But I still don't know what that's for. Is this the winner of our ham taste test? There's no oil, so whatever. Oh, but there is butter. Oh, why not? Deviled egg seems too easy. Is there like a specific deviled egg? Like a regional deviled egg? A regional deviled egg. I like dill, so we're gonna use a lot. Seems too specific. Like it can't just be deviled eggs. But I don't know what yet. Should I have peeled one first to check if it was hard boiled? Probably. It was in there for so long. Wait, let's see. Yeah. I would boil them a little harder, but whatever.
Like, who made it a thing?
The 70s.
Why is it called devil?
I don't know. I'm not a historian. So I put the egg yolks in with the cheese and the dill, but it's not as smooth as I want it to be. So I'm thinking of blending it, which might not be correct, but again, everybody say it. See, nobody wants to do this show. Look good. Still don't really know what I'm doing. Then I have to guess if there's breadcrumb inside. I really don't want to fry this. And there's no ano anyway. Sure, whatever. So I'm gonna try it. But what diff is that gonna make? I gotta... No. Not mixed in. So either I fry these or I put this on top like crispy breadcrumbs. Oh, my method. Do I put the breadcrumbs inside? No, right? No, just kidding. I know I don't. Are the breadcrumbs on top? Like, do they cover a stuffed deviled egg? Oh my god, I know what it is. Okay, I'm gonna mix it with the butter. Now the butter makes sense. Because if I used the ham cooked, then I wouldn't have had to put butter where I did. Seems like a lot, but whatever. Breadcrumb covered deviled egg. That's my guess. But I know now that it's a specific dish. I just am trying to wait for it to arrive in my head. But that's it. That's what it is, right? I mean, if that was my guess, that would be correct. If it was like named something else. Oh yeah, because like it's not a ricotta stuffed crab. It's a cheese blimp.
Yeah.
So it's not a breadcrumb covered deviled egg. It's a deviled egg with breadcrumbs. Okay, I put too much by accident. And it looked so, like, but it looked kind of right. Well, I don't know. I think it won't make a difference with the final thing, but it looks funny. Someone do it. And we have so much filling anyway. Wee, look at these. Oh my god, these are so fun. Now I get why people go through the effort of making them. Yeah. Looks like an egg. I like this. This was a fun one. I mean, like, I had fun, but it depends on if I get it correct. Then we'll see how much fun everyone will really have. And ramen nagi. Seems a little excessive. Okay, no, now I'm over it. It was fun the first 2 times. I'm just trying to hope that this method brings me somewhere. Oh, this one's broken. Now I have to make less. Yeah, that seems efficient. Look at that. What is that? Polish deviled eggs? Now it seems familiar because it's like a really long word that I can't pronounce, but then in English it's just like place deviled eggs. Yes? Place deviled eggs. I can already see Dan's edit. Oh my god. Buta na lang, that's the only thing that has been dropped. Ah! Bake it a little. Just to get it brown. This is gonna be out of my ass. Polish deviled eggs. It's probably wrong, but I don't give a crap anymore. Yeah, it's like a flower. Okay, I'm done. I'm ready.
So, Kimmie, what's your final guess?
Polish stuffed egg. Polish deviled egg with things inside.
You just have to pick one name. Go.
Polish deviled eggs.
Is that your final guess?
Sure.
Okay.
It's the same.
Your dish is Polish stuffed eggs.
My god, it's the same! It's the same!
No, I made you choose. You had to choose one word.
Oh my god, whatever.
Maya said deviled eggs kasi are different than just stuffed eggs. Because you don't really call these deviled eggs because deviled eggs don't have the top part, the breadcrumbs.
No, they do. You can.
No, you can't. No. And they have paprika. But these are stuffed eggs
Oh my god, it's the same.
with the breadcrumbs. So you technically don't get it. I'll give you the point if you can tell
Whatever.
me the Polish name.
Now I only win and I lose on a technicality. This is even
It
dumb.
doesn't matter how you get there, it has to be the
It's the
Yeah.
same. This is even better than the yama cake. I'd rather you dock me points for the yama cake. But excuse me, it's the same.
But it's Polish stuffed eggs. Or, wait for it, Jajka Faszerowany.
You can say that, but you can't say, what is that word? Falafel? Falafel. Stupid.
It doesn't matter how she gets here. As long as she gets here, but she didn't get here.
Yeah, so this one is
She almost did.
Polish deviled eggs 4 ways. Polish stuffed eggs are also known as deviled
Polish
eggs.
stuff. That's
Yeah, also known as deviled eggs in the States. Polish deviled eggs in the States. That's the same.
But no,
thing.
but we're doing Polish.
like how they're
Yeah.
saying pho is like beef. What?
Yeah, well, it's still what it is.
So we'll call this a loss.
Sure.
Okay, that's it.
Bye!
Bye!
You have to say it in Polish.
Polub i subskrybuj.
Wait.
Polub i subskrybuj.
Polub i subskrybuj.